Mysterious Planet 9 is approaching our solar system.
Section 51.
Section 51.
Section 51.
Hi everyone, what's up? I am GH, aka DOSGeek, back here with you and Section 51. Thank you again to watch this new video. Did you know that there could be a planet hiding out on the distant frontiers of our solar system? And astronomers have published new details about what it probably looks like if it really exists. Planet 9, yes, that's the name of the planet. According to a new paper published online February the 10th in the journal Physics Reports, Planet 9 is probably 5 to 10 times the mass of Earth, and it probably travels along an elongated orbit that peaks at 400 times Earth's distance from the Sun. That orbit is also likely 15 to 25 degrees off the main orbital plane of our solar system where most planets orbit. The existence of Planet 9 is an idea that's become popular among astronomers ever since it was first seriously proposed back in 2014. Researchers suspect the planet's existence because of patterns of objects in the Kuiper belt, a ring of debris in the outer solar system. Those objects tend to clump together in ways that suggest that gravity from something big out there is tugging on them. And the evidence has only gotten stronger. In a separate paper published on January the 22nd in the Astronomical Journal, some of the same authors of the Physics Report paper calculated the probability of Planet 9 not existing at just 1 in 500. Strongly suspecting that the dark planet exists isn't the same thing as knowing it's real. So, the good news is that this new research suggests that Planet 9 is significantly nearer by than previously thought. But astronomers still have a lot of space in which to search for it. The authors of the Physics Reports paper did raise, however, the possibility that there is no planet out there at all. They added that however strong the current evidence is, that chance should be taken seriously. The likeliest alternative explanation is that humanity's picture of the Kuiper belt is incomplete and that the objects only appear to cluster because of some bias in efforts to detect them. It's also possible, the authors suggested, that the clustering results from the self-gravity of the Kuiper belt acting on its own objects and does not arise from not some hidden planet's tug. Still, astronomers have become more convinced by the evidence for Planet 9 in recent years, and now they are making significant progress toward pinpointing it out in space. Do you know what that reminds me of? Yes, Planet X Nibiru. Indeed, according to some theories, Nibiru may have been uncovered more than 50 billion miles away before being covered up by NASA. And there is the Nibiru cataclysm. It is said to be a future disastrous encounter between the Earth and a large unknown planet which many say will take place in the early 21st century. Believers in the Doomsday event usually refer to the object involved as Planet X or Nibiru, with countless predictions over a collision with Earth surfacing over the years. However, it may be an event in 1984 that sparked this story. December the 11th, 1984. An article in the New York Times headlined Planet X and provoked a frenzy. The piece, which made the front page, revealed how US astronomers had discovered what they believed to be another planet after detecting it in a distant solar system. An extract even said that in the observations with an infrared telescope, they found a huge gaseous object orbiting a dim and distant star in the constellation Ophiuchus, or Ophiuchus. And these astronomers believed the object was 9/10 the size of Jupiter with a surface temperature of 1000 degrees Celsius. Some other astronomers, however, said the object might be too hot and massive to be called a planet in the usual sense. 8 years later, NASA confirmed they had discovered a new celestial body in space, yet revealed it was not a planet. Further analysis detailed it was an interstellar cirrus, a flaming hot structure giving off infrared light. However, that did not stop the theories. In 1991, Dr. Robert Harrington, chief astronomer for the Naval Observatory, detected an approach of a strange object to the solar system, first sparking rumors of a destructive planet. Dr. Harrington calculated that Planet X would be roughly 3 times the distance of Neptune from the Sun, and its orbit would be highly eccentric and strongly pulled in by Earth's gravitational pull. Dr. Harrington died 2 years later after this discovery, prompting some Nibiru believers he had exposed a NASA cover-up operation. But we will certainly have the opportunity to talk about Nibiru more in depth in a future video. It will be a video dedicated to Planet X Nibiru. Also, I am a little skeptical. I would like to believe in real facts about Nibiru. However, the story of Nibiru is very interesting. And you, what do you think? Is it Planet 9 or is it Planet X Nibiru? Thanks for watching. As usual, you can like and share our videos. Have a look and order your amazing Section 51 t-shirt in our Spreadshirt shop. Link is here. I'll be back really soon. Open your eyes, watch the sky, live long and prosper.